What I think this actually might be my last car video in Japan. Currently at the yard, looking over some cars that we've purchased. Last time here, just came from the auction. Looking at this Vamos with very low kilometers. I'm hoping it lives up to the grade. I think it was a grade 4. Hoping it lives up to the hype. All right, the clicker works. We're off to a good start. Has some 2017 12s. Not the worst. It's better than Steely's. Okay. Before we even start the car, let's just get an inspection of the interior. Oh, even got some wheels in the back. And these tires are from 2019, so both essentially useless. All right. Like what I'm seeing so far. Okay, yeah, this thing is clean. Let's go. I'm just hyped just like you guys. 20,000 kilometers. Starts right up. AC blows cold. Yes. Because this one was expensive. It's $5,200 shipped. Well, that's not really expensive, but depending who you ask. Oh, okay. That's one flaw. A little sun faded there. A little sun faded there. Don't like how many cobwebs are here. Yeah, that white one I got that's going to Baltimore is still the nicest Vamos I've purchased. Definitely sat somewhere for a little bit. A little sun fade there. These all have so many kilometers. The fact that this one has a low number. Does it even come with lug nuts? Wow. It is impressive. I guarantee you by the time you guys are watching this video, I'll put on the screen right now that this has sold. There's no way it makes it to YouTube. No shot. Wait, oh, I forgot I can drive it. I forgot I could drive it. I felt like I was still at the auction. I was like, damn, I wish I could drive it in my head. What am I talking about? AC is freezing. Let's turn that off. And let's drive it. Clutch is great. HM1. I think that's two-wheel drive. Let's see what Rodrigo has to say. Oh, the window doesn't work? No. Okay. Oh, it's good. Look how clean it is. Interior is like perfect.
Oh yeah, the interior is good.
20,000 kilometers. Has extra wheels, but it's kind of garbage.
Yeah.
Exterior on your side has a little bit of like yeah, that.
The color's a bit different at this store.
Really?
It's a different spot.
Really? I don't see it. I think it's the same. I mean, it does look a little lighter, but you have to really look. But now it's really nice. Has rims already. Just sent a video to one of the Patreon homies who's been asking for it, Vamos. This thing gets up there. I have no regrets that mine is automatic. Oh wow, what is that? There's a wild animal here. Did you guys see that? I'm like, oh, it's right here. Look, a raccoon. JDM raccoon. Wow. I'm amazed right now. But yeah, overall, drives really good. Sweet van. I personally still think the Tri is better. More luxurious, more space in the back, power windows all around, and just an overall, in my personal opinion, better van. But maybe the head gaskets are stronger on the Vamoses. Shout out Daniel Chavez. This one's headed to New Mexico. I kind of want to keep it. I don't see myself staying in America for too long to actually enjoy it. So I'm going to post on Patreon all the really nice photos that they took of it. Thing is, I put new wheels. I put a newer, nicer Nardi. I'm not even asking a lot. $6,000 shipped. Part of me kind of wish that I didn't put this Nardi and I didn't put the nicer wheels and I just kept it the way it was and sold it for $5,000. But yes, even got this in the back that's like sought after. Who knows? Maybe I'll send to him anyway. Let's see what happens. It's a good car. It's a really good car. See if it starts again. It's been a little minute since I've tried to start it. Carb life. Not surprised. Damn, does it have no gas? Okay. I was about to say. Alright, just needed one little pump. Yeah, the interior isn't the best. But it's not bad. It's really not bad. It's really not bad. And it comes with a new one of these. Oh, I should maybe take that. Yeah, maybe I should. It's in the back. It's in the trunk. Oh, where's the raccoon? Oh my god, the raccoon might come after me. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of here before that raccoon comes after me. I need to grab that stuff though. Let me go in here and be safe from the JDM raccoon. And then I need to grab... I wonder if I should take this home with me now. Just to play it safe. I think I will, actually. Just in case I don't even buy it. I don't want Rodrigo to be have to ship it to me and it costs more money. I could easily just put this in my suitcase. So we're going to ship that home because I don't know if you guys are going to sleep on the fact that this is a really nice Pao. I think I might even take this home because these are, I think, the speaker covers or something that goes there. I don't know, but yeah, we'll take all that with us. If someone does buy it, just hit me up. I mean, I'll know actually. If you buy it, let me know. I'll ship it to you. Next, we have a Nissan Gloria. I'm gonna have to ask Nate and Rodrigo for more assistance on this, but I'll just do a quick pano. This is pretty cheap too. I think it's like $5,000 shipped. Video jack. Wow. Are you telling me I could play PlayStation back here? Okay. Power seats. Gotta step my Japanese up. Need some new tires. V6 turbo. I didn't know it was turbo. $5,000 shipped. Ladies and gentlemen. That sounds like a bargain. Does it have high kilometers or something? Never seen like a cover for the battery before. Let's see, what are the kilometers? Is it 45,000 kilometers? 45,000 kilometers, grade 4B for $5,000 shipped. So less than the Vamos? That's crazy. I feel like this is gonna sell again very quickly. I gotta come back to Japan. Windows work. I can't really go fast, but let's just see how it feels as far as luxury goes. Back in a big body, I feel like I'm in my crown. Yeah, it's smooth. Most comfortable car I ever drove on these bumpy streets. Rear-wheel drive. Grade 4B. The amount of donuts I can do right now. We're gonna contain ourselves. Let's just punch it once. Let's come to a semi-stop. Oh, look at that slip. Has a nice fitment too, even with the wheels. Just clean it up a little bit. Another car purchased sight unseen. Love this. It's lowered. Yeah. That's the craziest part, the fact that it's lowered. They removed one of the leaves, a couple of the leaves. Just put the spare tire there, which is cool. Has this bar in the back. See if it starts. That's another certified banger. If these work. Nice interior. What happened? Oh, it's in gear? Yeah.
Oh, it's clean.
It's 3.5B.
Speakers.
Wow, speakers in the back. The moment of truth is I just want to know if those lights in the bottom work. Oh! And it's LEDs! Wow! That thing is low! Oh yeah, I'm definitely driving this one. It has ultra low also. It isn't even just your standard 5-speed.
It's 5 speeds.
Yeah. I think you have to go into 4-wheel drive to get into ultra low. Wow. They painted the inside too. Maybe it's just loose. Oh yeah, it's back on. Has a little tint on the windshield too. See it? Like up to here. Oh, it's removable though. I can touch it. Speakers on the top work. Yeah, I hear some static. AC works. I guess let's just gun it down here real quick. Second gear, third, fourth, fifth. Still pretty smooth. If anything, I feel like I'm gliding right now. That's just taking the bumps like crazy. Usually the camera would be like this. See if the 4-wheel drive works. 4-wheel drive light came on. Yeah, I feel the difference. I don't remember how to get into ultra low. Yeah, I could definitely feel it on the U-turn. I think it's like, yeah, I don't remember what you have to do. Comment below so I could learn for next time. Because that's one. The ultra low is all the way that way. There's something you have to do. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go back into fun gear. Quick little spin out. Currently at the airport. Working our way back to America. Your boy officially made it through the gate. What are we gonna grab? I can't believe I'm leaving Japan, bro. It's just crazy. What a way to get picked up. Oh, yeah, 5 minutes. We don't really have a drive-in, but
I was told that
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.